Section 1. The AI Revolution, Reshaping Business One Algorithm at a Time, Artificial Intelligence. It's not science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's transforming the way we do business. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily operations. It's transforming businesses right now. Companies across various industries are leveraging AI to streamline processes, enhance productivity, and drive innovation. The integration of AI into business models is no longer a luxury but a necessity. AI can analyze data with lightning speed. It spots trends humans miss. Imagine sifting through millions of data points in seconds, identifying patterns and making data-driven decisions that propel your business forward. This gives businesses a competitive edge. Think of AI as your secret weapon. It can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources to focus on strategic initiatives. This not only boosts efficiency but also fosters innovation. It can personalize customer experiences. Imagine chatbots answering questions 24/7. These AI-driven customer service solutions can handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide personalized recommendations, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. AI can even predict what customers want before they do. By analyzing past behaviors and preferences, AI can forecast future needs and trends, allowing businesses to stay ahead of the curve and meet customer demands proactively. This technology is a game changer for startups. It levels the playing field. Startups can now compete with established players by leveraging AI to optimize operations, reduce costs, and innovate rapidly. You don't need massive resources to leverage AI. Affordable tools are now within reach. With the rise of cloud-based AI solutions, even small businesses can access powerful AI tools without significant upfront investment. Ready to ride the AI wave? Let's dive into how to launch your own AI startup. From identifying the right AI tools to integrating them into your business processes, we'll guide you through the steps to harness the power of AI. Buckle up. It's going to be an exciting ride. The journey to integrating AI into your business is filled with opportunities and challenges. But with the right approach and mindset, you can transform your business and stay ahead in the competitive landscape.
Section 2. AI Business Ideas, your personal brainstorming partner. Stuck for a business idea? AI can be your muse. Imagine having a partner who never tires, never judges, and is always ready to help you brainstorm. Platforms like ChatGPT are idea-generating machines. They can take your vague thoughts and turn them into concrete business concepts. Feed them your interests, hobbies, or even your wildest dreams. Watch as they spit out potential business concepts tailored just for you. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. Ask an AI tool, what AI-powered businesses could revolutionize the fitness industry? Boom! Instantly, you get a list of innovative ideas, a flood of ideas at your fingertips. Think personalized workout plans tailored to individual needs and goals. Imagine AI-powered nutrition coaching. It could provide customized meal plans, track your progress, and adjust recommendations in real time. The possibilities are endless. AI helps you explore uncharted territory. It can suggest niches you never considered, markets you didn't know existed. Remember, not every idea will be a winner, but with AI you can explore countless possibilities. It's like having a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just someone with a dream, AI can help you turn your ideas into reality. So, why not give it a try and see where your imagination can take you?
Section 3. Market research on autopilot. AI does the heavy lifting. Market research is crucial. It tells you if your idea has legs, but traditional research is time-consuming. Good news, AI can do the heavy lifting. AI-powered tools analyze massive datasets. They identify trends in consumer behavior. Want to know the latest fitness craze? AI can tell you in an instant. These insights help you refine your business idea. You'll understand your target audience better. This gives you a competitive edge. AI doesn't replace your judgment, it enhances it. Use the data to make informed decisions. Your startup will be stronger for it.
Section 4. Building your AI powerhouse. No coding degree required. Don't let tech intimidate you. Building an AI-powered platform is easier than you think. No-code platforms are your new best friend. These tools let you create sophisticated AI applications. Drag, drop, and you're good to go. Platforms like Bubble and Glide make app development a breeze. Need a chatbot for your website? No problem. Tools like Dialogflow and BotStar have you covered. You can even integrate AI into existing tools like Shopify. Remember, you don't need to be a tech whiz to build with AI. Focus on your idea. Let these platforms handle the technical complexities.
Section 5. Launching your platform. Making a grand entrance with AI. Launching a platform can be nerve-wracking, right? The anticipation, the planning, the countless hours spent perfecting every detail. But what if I told you that AI can be your secret weapon for a successful launch? Yes, AI can help you generate buzz and reach the right audience, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. AI-powered tools can help you craft compelling marketing copy that resonates with your audience. These tools analyze data to understand what works best, allowing you to create content that truly connects. They can even personalize your outreach, making each message feel unique and tailored. Imagine sending tailored messages to potential customers, addressing their specific needs and interests. This level of personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. Don't underestimate the power of social media in your launch strategy. AI can help you schedule posts at optimal times, ensuring maximum visibility and engagement. It can analyze your audience's behavior to determine the best times to post, and even identify relevant hashtags to expand your reach. This means your content will be seen by more people, increasing the chances of a successful launch. Additionally, AI can provide valuable insights through analytics. It can track engagement metrics, helping you understand what's working and what's not. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and adjust your strategy in real time, ensuring continuous improvement and success. Remember, launching is just the beginning. But with AI on your side, you can make a grand entrance and capture the attention of your target market. The journey doesn't end at the launch. It's an ongoing process of growth and adaptation. With AI, you have a powerful ally that can help you navigate this journey, making each step more informed and effective.
Section 6. AI-powered marketing. Reaching the right audience at the right time. Marketing is crucial for any startup. AI takes it to the next level. It helps you target the right audience with laser precision. Imagine showing your ads to people actively searching for your product. AI makes it happen. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads use AI for targeting. AI can also personalize your marketing messages. It analyzes customer data to tailor content. This resonates more deeply with your audience. Remember, effective marketing is about building relationships. AI empowers you to connect with your audience on a deeper level.
Section 7. The learning curve, embracing iteration in the AI world. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Embrace a growth mindset. Be prepared to learn and adapt along the way. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools. Test, analyze, and iterate. What works today might not work tomorrow. Stay updated on the latest AI trends. Follow industry experts. Attend webinars and conferences. Knowledge is power in the fast-paced world of AI. Remember, the learning journey never ends. Embrace it. It's what will set you apart in the exciting world of AI startups.
Section 8. The future of AI startups. A glimpse into the transformative journey. The future of AI startups is bright. As AI technology advances, the possibilities are endless. We can expect even more innovative solutions. Imagine AI-powered personalized education. Picture healthcare driven by AI diagnostics. The potential impact on various industries is staggering. Startups are at the forefront of this revolution. They are agile and quick to adapt. This positions them perfectly to capitalize on the power of AI. The journey will be challenging but also incredibly rewarding. Embrace the unknown. The future of AI belongs to those who dare to dream big.
Section 9. Practical tips for aspiring AI entrepreneurs. Ready to take the plunge? Here are some practical tips for aspiring AI entrepreneurs. 1. Start small. Don't try to boil the ocean. Focus on solving a specific problem with AI. 2. Validate your idea. Before investing heavily, test your idea with potential customers. Get feedback early and often. 3. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who share your vision. 4. Network and learn, attend industry events, connect with mentors, and join online communities. 5. Stay persistent. Building a successful startup takes time and effort. Don't give up on your dreams.
Section 10. Conclusion. Embark on your AI startup adventure today. The AI revolution is here. It's transforming the business landscape as we know it. There's never been a better time to launch your own AI startup. Remember, you don't need to be a tech genius. With the right tools and mindset, anyone can harness the power of AI. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the challenge. Embrace the unknown. The future of AI is waiting to be written. And you could be the one to write it.